Ever checked your credit score and noticed it dropped for no reason? Yeah, that can be confusing and frustrating. In this video, I'll explain the most common reasons your credit score can drop unexpectedly and what you can do about it. One common reason is an increase in your credit utilization. If you've recently carried higher balances on your credit cards, even if you pay them off later, your utilization percentage may temporarily rise, lowering your score. Another reason could be a hard inquiry. When you apply for a new loan or credit card, lenders check your report, and each inquiry can cause a small temporary dip in your score. Your score can also drop if older accounts age out or your average account age decreases. Closing old accounts or changes in your active accounts can slightly impact your score. Sometimes the drop is caused by errors or fraudulent activity. Mistaken late payments, wrong balances, or unauthorized accounts can negatively affect your score. Checking your report regularly helps catch these issues. Credit scoring models also consider your mix of credit types. Paying off loans, closing accounts, or shifting balances can change your credit mix, which may slightly reduce your score even if you've been responsible. So, what can you do? Keep credit utilization low, pay all bills on time, monitor your report for errors, and avoid unnecessary hard inquiries. Over time, these actions help your score recover and grow, and that's why your credit score might drop seemingly for no reason. Understanding these factors helps you take control and keep your score on the rise. If this helped, hit like and check out more tips for protecting and improving your credit. Ever notice your credit